Tripura hasini rungsrung rungprungmu quality busuk jorati kusuko kaitong busuk jorati ungkulugo tolabo kulugitong abahani kethang yakumo tabuk truk mokol buskango faruk hastini rungmotri hastini rungbede quality education ni bagui tam khlayato phiaba rungnok rongni goti nukhe thangi naya sakkebo sawi maya busuk junjal kotor klaitong rungsrungnairo juda khlai kami amsayo rungsrungni tongnai rwngnok rokni goti belekeno hamya thangnai sallogo koktomani bisingtwi rwngnok rokni goti rungsrungjaknai rokni goti rungphrungjakma rokni goti sing phunukmani phiaba tabuke rwngnogo thangwi kaham hamya chiri nai tongkha TSF ni team TSF ni team Gondasara Russia bari amsayo kwrwngtham rwngnogo thangwi chiri naikha pula thangwi soikya Doyaram High School ajagani staff eba rungphungnai jora thugino rungnogo thangya jotoi khorok chini rungphungnai tongo phiaba sal thugino joto phaya salo khorokba phayo kuno phurba asrok phanche phaya jora thugino class ingya science subject class kahamke ingya talo wasa wani rokse ingo rungsrungnai rok bahino jora thugino class of phaya asok simia khitai sutui thai belekeno sitra hamia jinjalo klaija classroom fan krei nungjanai tei kaham krei obahai jinjalni bisingtwi rwngnok go phurungjangmu srungjakmu samu khlaijagui tongo tei kwrwngsa bol khali high school aro bahaino rungphungnai rok jora thugui phaya salo kasise class naharjago amchani rukurongni khukti sawi mankha baksa rungphungnai rok diponi damsa khaksao thangwi payo baksa kaba diponi damsa khaksao se rungnogo phayo abahino tei kwrwngsa rwngnok JER Kumar para SB School aro bahaino class khaitanibo belekeno jungjal kuni class kaisa khlai class ungo romdi class 1 by class 2 kaisa room class ungo class 3 by class 4 kaisa room class ungo abahino class 5 by class 6 kaisa room class 7 by class 8 kaisa room asok simia a rungnogo bahaino nungjanai tei juda sep samnibo jinjalo klaija hasteni rungmontri hasteni rungbede quality education ni kok sawi tongo roi tongo juda sep sa phiaba a sep sabrok tiprasa kami amsani rwngnok rogo suda soguya manade tong manya thangnaya sak sawi maya hase hapangbai beton rujak sebok rok rungphungnai rok jora thugui rungnogo da thangya da tong rungnogo thangya uja beton chawsimi nogo asugui tong chiri naijagya obahino mangpili tabuk kasai phikya Tripura hastani tong halogo nainai bedi chini mangpiliwo TSF team rungnogo thangwi chiri naimani borni khogono khanadi.
Today, we on behalf of TSF, we have come to the Dairam Kami High School, Rasiabari, which is under Rasiabari. It is very pathetic. It is sad thing for us to know that teachers are irregular. They didn't come to school. They do 1, 2, 3 classes and leave the school. Totally, there is absence of teachers. Classes are not going well. Science teachers are not taking classes. They hardly take 1 classes in a year or in a month. That is what we got report from the students after the interaction. Really, it is so sad. The government of Tripura, the BJP, IPP government is sleeping. It is really pathetic. After that, we have talked with the IS. The inspector of school has assured us that they will take action against those. Even the IS is not visiting. And the students are all roaming around here and there. They are not inside the class. There is no fan in the class. In this very hot summer, there is no single light, fan. See the condition of this pathetic building. The toilets are all covered by jungles. There is no drinking water facilities. The students are regular. There are students who comes to school regularly, we met them. They're very interactive. They're very good students. But the teachers, we believe now, we know that it is the teacher who fails to teach them. It is really pathetic and heartbreaking for us. We slam this government, we condemn such kind of acts from the government. The government should take immediate action to the irregulars of teachers. The government should immediately come and see the school of this Dairam Kabi in Rasavali, in a very remote areas.